Fighting a fire near Fall Creek in the Willamette National Forest. The Bedrock fire was first reported yesterday near the Bedrock campground in the Middle Fork Fire Rangers District. Crews spent last night and all day today trying to contain it. The Lane County Sheriff's Office says while there are no evacuation notices, they are asking people to stay away from the Fall Creek area, including all campgrounds and surrounding roads.
They said we have to evacuate.
Bedrock fire on Willamette National Forest grows to nearly 4,500 acres. Firefighting force tops 150. The park ranger asked us to leave the campground since it wasn't control at this point.
Yeah, we're already packing today. Yeah, all right, thank you.
Day 1. Day 2. Monday afternoon, July 24th TH. Tuesday morning, July 25th is literally at 4,500 acres. My campground.
What's up, guys? We're currently at Willamette Forest. We have to evacuate. We got a fire. We come here every year, but today, some stupid fire. So now we have to evacuate on the run. Plan was 3 to 4 days. Alright, folks.